हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब वीडियो। तो आज मैं लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए करंट अफेयर क्विज मे 2025। तो इसमें सभी क्वेश्चन करंट अफेयर के रहेंगे, जिसमें कि मैं आपके लिए 10 क्वेश्चन लेकर आई हूँ। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है आज का, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। भनवागढ़ नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? ऑप्शन ए मध्य प्रदेश, ऑप्शन बी ओडिशा, ऑप्शन सी कर्नाटक, ऑप्शन डी तमिलनाडु। तो इसका आंसर है अब हमारा ऑप्शन ए मध्य प्रदेश। द सुप्रीम कोर्ट recently dismissed a pleasing illegal mining in Bhanwagad National Park, Madhya Pradesh, calling it a flagrant abuse of law and imposed a 1 lakh rupees penalty on the prisoner. Bhanwagad National Park is located in the Umaria district of Madhya Pradesh. It lies across the Vindhya Hills, known for their forested terrain and wildlife. It was declared a national park in 1968 and became a tiger reserve in 1993 under Project Tiger. The park is famous for its Royal Bengal tigers. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। आयुष्मान भारत दिवस इज ऑब्जर्व एनुअली ऑन विच डे? ऑप्शन ए 29 अप्रैल, ऑप्शन बी 30 अप्रैल, ऑप्शन सी 1 मई, ऑप्शन डी 2 मई। तो इसका आंसर है हमारा ऑप्शन बी 30 अप्रैल। Ayushman Bharat Divas is celebrated every year on April 30 to honor the achievements of the Ayushman Bharat scheme, also known as Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. PMJ is a government health insurance scheme that offers up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary hospitalization care. The scheme targets over 10 crore poor and vulnerable families in India who cannot afford expensive medical treatment. It provides cashless and paperless treatment at any accredited hospital across India. On Ayushman Bharat Divas, events are held nationwide to spread awareness and celebrate the scheme impact. The day also recognizes the efforts of frontline workers and healthcare professionals involved in delivering quality services to beneficiaries. तो इसके आंसर मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन भी करे हैं। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। विच इंडियन सिटी हैज़ इशूड इंडियाज फर्स्ट सर्टिफाइड ग्रीन म्यूनिसिपल बॉन्ड? ऑप्शन ए पुणे, ऑप्शन बी इंदौर, ऑप्शन सी गाजियाबाद, ऑप्शन डी बेंगलुरु। तो इसका आंसर है हमारा ऑप्शन सी गाजियाबाद। अंडर द स्वच्छ भारत मिशन अर्बन गाजियाबाद इशूड इंडियाज फर्स्ट सर्टिफाइड ग्रीन म्यूनिसिपल बॉन्ड रेजिंग 150 rupees crore for a tertiary sewage treatment plant TSTP. This bond marks a major shift towards sustainable urban infrastructure and financial innovation. The tertiary sewage treatment plant uses advanced membrane filtration technologies like microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration and reverse osmosis RO to treat wastewater. The plant has a treatment capacity of 40 million liters per day MLD and is a link to a 95 kilometer pipeline network. It supplies treated water to over 1400 industrial units, cutting dependence on freshwater sources. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। Project Kuiper is a satellite broadband initiative of which organization? Option A Amazon, option B InSpace, option C SpaceX, option D Blue Origin. तो इसका आंसर है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का ऑप्शन ए Amazon. Amazon has launched the first 27 satellites under its Project Kuiper to build an internet from space network. Project Kuiper is Amazon satellite broadband initiative using low Earth orbit LEO, which is up to 2,000 km above Earth. It includes around 3,232 satellites, ground station and customer terminal to provide the service. The goal is to deliver high speed, low latency and affordable internet to remote and underserved regions globally. The project is named after the Kuiper Belt, a distinct region of the solar system beyond the 8 planets. It's the Amazon answer to SpaceX Starlink satellite internet system. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द 2052 चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए भूषण राम कृष्ण गवई, ऑप्शन बी सतीश चंद्र शर्मा, ऑप्शन सी राजन रॉय, ऑप्शन सी अटौर रहमान मसूदी। तो इसका आंसर है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का ऑप्शन ए भूषण रामकृष्ण गवई। जस्टिस भूषण रामकृष्ण गवई हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड as the 52 Chief Justice of India and will take charge on May 14, 2025. Succeeding Justice Sanjeev Khanna. The appointment of the Chief Justice of India is guided by Article 124 of the Constitution, which empowers the President of India to appoint the CJI. Article 126 allows for the appointment of an acting Chief Justice if needed. Next question, question number 6. Which city is the host of World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025? Option A New Delhi, option B Chennai, option C Mumbai, option D हैदराबाद। तो इसका आंसर है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का ऑप्शन सी मुंबई। फाइनलिस्ट फ्रॉम 11 cities were selected through regional contest to compete in the WAM National Finale at Waves 2025. The World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 was held from May 1 to 4, 2025 at the Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai, India. Waves World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025 promotes India's talent in animation, visual effects, gaming, comics, and extended reality. The summit is themed Create in India, Create for the World to position India as a global creative powerhouse. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. What type of disease is rabies that was recently seen in news? Option is genetic disorder, option C zoonotic disease, option C fungal infection, option D none of the above. तो इसका आंसर है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का आंसर है हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर B zoonotic disease. A 6-year-old girl in Kerala, Malappuram district sadly died of rabies even after getting preventive vaccination, highlighting a serious public health concern. Rabies is a fatal zoonotic disease caused by the rabies virus RABV, which attacks the nervous system. Rabies virus is an RNA virus from the Rabies family and spreads into two main ways in the body. It can directly enter the peripheral nervous system and reach the brain, or it can first hide and multiply in muscle tissue, then move into the nervous system through neuromuscular junction. Once in the brain, it causes severe and deadly inflammation. Next question है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. National Archives of India NAI function under which ministry? Option A Ministry of Tourism, option B Ministry of Defence, option C Ministry of Urban Development, option D Ministry of Culture. तो इसका आंसर है हमारा option D Ministry of Culture. The National Archives of India NAI has added the private papers of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to its rich collection, making a major contribution to India's historical records. It works under the Ministry of Culture and stores old government records that no longer active but important for research and administration. It is the largest archival repository in South Asia and protects record of lasting value to the government of India. NAI was started as the Imperial Record Department on 11 March 1891 in Kolkata and moved to New Delhi in 1911. The full transfer of records to Delhi was completed in 1937. NAI also enforces the Public Records Act 1993 and Public Record Rules 1997. It preserves over 34 crore pages including official files, maps, canvases, treatises, debates are rare, manuscripts and government documents. Next question number 9. Kamala Prasad Bishnell has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in April 2025? Option A Barbados, option B Cuba, option C Trinidad and Tobago, option D Jamaica. तो इसका आंसर है हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर सी Trinidad and Tobago. Kamala Prasad Bishnell has been elected as the next Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago after her party United National Congress won the parliamentary elections. This marks a strong comeback for the 73-year-old leader who earlier served as Prime Minister from 2010 to 2015. She remains the only woman ever to have led the Caribbean nation. Trinidad and Tobago is a twin island country in the Caribbean with its capital and port of the Spain. Next question है हमारा question number 10. Which state government has launched the Tourism Security Force, also known as Paryatam Mitra, to improve tourist safety and boost tourism? Option A Maharashtra, option B Gujarat, option C Uttar Pradesh, option D Tamil Nadu. तो इसका आंसर है हमारा Option A Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government has launched the Tourism Security Force, also known as Paryatam Mitra, to improve tourist safety and boost tourism. The pilot launch will be held during the Mahabaleshwar festival from 1st to 4th May 2025 in Satara district. The tourism department will appoint tourism police on a contact basis to make tourism feel secure while visiting the state. The Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation will fund the project with help from the Maharashtra State Security Corporation and Satara Police. These tourism police will also guide tourists by sharing information on cultural sites, laws and sustainable tourism. हमारे क्वेश्चन अब यहीं पर ख़त्म होते हैं. जो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा कि वीडियो आपको कैसी लगे. और हाँ, बेल आइकन प्रेस ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा जिससे मेरी आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे. तो मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. और हाँ, वीडियो मेरे को आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि मेरी वीडियो कैसी लग रही है, तो मैं डेली अपलोड करा करूँगी आपके लिए वीडियो, जिससे आपको बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी IAS के एग्जाम में, क्योंकि इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन भी रहते हैं, करंट अफेयर की भी और पहेली की भी, जिससे आपको माइंड वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, ट्रिक लगाने वाले क्वेश्चन, और रीजनिंग के तो रहते हैं मेरे में. तो वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर. बाय बाय.